Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Really helps out the channel. Love you all very much for joining me. Let's take a look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much rejected yet again at this local high of this range that we're really in the apex now of this bear market coil going into the bull market that we've seen for Polygon here. You can see we've got the fake breakout back tested into our support back inside of the coil. You can see here now we really are chopping sideways. Bitcoin obviously leading to a lot of altcoins selling off. Basically, what was it? Thursday, Friday? Was it Friday? That looks like Friday, doesn't it? Let me see. I need to check now. Yeah, on Friday we saw that big decline for Bitcoin, which obviously liquidated a lot of altcoin leverage positions, I think. And now really looking like Polygon is reaching the apex of that decision if it's going to go up or down in terms of this big bear market, bull market, whatever you want to call it, market coil that we've been seeing. The false breakout, the back test of support, and now we're at support again. It's going to be interesting to see which way we go. We could easily see ourselves dive below and continue up like this. That's probably my most likely thing, a liquidation below of everybody and then moving upwards, in my opinion. Right now we are just waiting for coiling at the very apex right now for Polygon to see what will happen next. If Bitcoin goes down, we're going to be seeing a big decline, in my opinion. But if Bitcoin does go up, we're going to be seeing a bit more upside. So let's see what we can do.